Welcome everyone to another video from me, Elliot. You join me here yet again in the garage and with a nice big parcel. Delivery day today. I am going to be installing carbon fibre sort of GTS style splitter to the front of the car. I haven't unboxed this one, so it's the first one I'm actually going to show you opening on camera, and I'm going to attempt to show you how I'm going about fitting it and show you the before and after results. Of course, as usual, got a trusty cup of tea. Let's open this. Just shove that over there. Oh, I like that a lot. Very nice. So it's like a GTS style, quite an aggressive lit, this one. It's quite nicely made. Carbon factory. Right, before I start, I just wanted to run you through some of the tools I'm going to be using to fit this. First of all, you're going to need a drill. You're going to be drilling into the bumper to fit this in. I've got 3M mounting tape. And I've got a drill which my kind neighbour Jamie has lent me with a lovely arrangement of drill bits. I don't actually have the drill. Yes, I do. There it is. There's the drill. Beautiful. I've got tape in case I want to sort of fake mount it first. And I've got this nifty selection box of self-tapping screws, which we're going to be using to mount it properly. And in with the drill bit set is a sort of a sizing tool, which I'm going to need to use to get the right sizes and stuff. So, I think that went in there. Right, let's jack the car up, get the front lifted up, and go from there. Right, I'm just adding some tape before I start. Here goes nothing. Just trying to figure out how to do it so I don't get dust on my eyes. Enough of a pilot hole, I reckon. Didn't go all the way through, but at least it's not, isn't it? Where's the screwdriver and screw? That's where I've just done that. There. Dirt. Right guys, I apologise, I was absolutely awful at filming the process of fitting that splitter. But to give you an idea, I was using a drill bit, smaller than obviously the self-tapping screws I was using, into each of the pre-cut holes, getting it into the bottom of the bumper, screwing them all up slowly, went round. I have to admit, I think this looks absolutely outstanding, so I'm buzzing. Sorry it wasn't the most informative video, but I'm more than happy to answer any questions you may have, or if you need me to go into more detail, I'm more than happy to. So yeah, let's see the end result. Thanks for watching this video guys, I hope you're enjoying the content. I'm slowly starting to get back onto it now that we're allowed out a bit more. Any videos that you would like to see on the M2, please do leave a comment and let me know what you want to see, and I'll happily try and get those videos for you. I really enjoy sharing the M2 with everyone else. You know, it's one of my dream cars, and if I can share either information for owners or just people that love these cars or BMW enthusiasts and they just enjoy the content and enjoy the sort of escapism, the sort of stuff I like too. So thanks a lot, see you next time.